If you have a house in Mason, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Mason. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Mason prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than working with a traditional buyer that might be using a loan or some type of mortgage to buy your house. So first and foremost, we're easy to work with because we're as-is. We're an as-is buyer. That means you don't have to do any work to the house whatsoever. You don't got to hire a handyman. You don't got to fix anything up or clean anything or haul anything away. Anything that you want out of the house, absolutely, that's yours. You can take with you anything that you want. But anything that you don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. What allows us to buy houses as is we're a cash buyer. So we're not relying on a bank or a lender, mortgage company, nothing like that. And that's what you're going to get with more of a traditional buyer. So a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage loan, it could be a little bit more complicated and expensive for you because they're going to send through this thorough inspection and this thorough inspector. And it's kind of intrusive. They're going to test every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan, and they're going to basically compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house, and they might try to use that to renegotiate with you, try to get a better deal or try to get more extensions. And then if the deal survives the inspection, well, they're going to send the appraiser through as well, and if the house doesn't meet the requirements of the appraiser, it could totally kill your deal and send you back to square one. And it's kind of sad when this happens. I talk to a lot of sellers where this happens because it's not just time that you're wasting, it's also money. Because every day that went by that they weren't able to close on your house, it's another day that you pay utilities. It's another day that you pay property taxes. It's another day that you pay property insurance. It's just opportunity costs. And we're going to avoid all that. So when you sell to us, there's no thorough inspections or appraisals or anything like that. And we're going to treat you right from the very beginning. So if you have a house in Mason and you want to sell fast for cash and get a fair price, or you just want to see what your options are, give us a call. We're here at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. It says Columbus in the website name, but we're all over Mason, all over the whole state of Ohio, all over Cincinnati and everywhere. But when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing time frame, because some sellers want to close fast, and that's fine. Other sellers need more flexibility, so we got to set up a closing date for the future whenever you want. Right? You pick the closing date. We're not relying on any bank or third party to pick the closing date for you. And we're going to treat you fair. We're going to give you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, perfect. We'll move forward. If it doesn't work for you, we're not going to pressure you to try to sign something or tie your hands, or, we're not going to create fake urgency. That's what you get from the call centers. The call centers are the ones who are sending you text messages, say they want to buy your house, or, cold calling you. We don't do that. And we have hundreds of references and good reviews and testimonials from people just like you all over Ohio that we were able to buy their house for a fair price. So if you have a house in Mason and you're looking to sell for a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.